Today's world, attention is the new currency. And social media is the best way to get and monetize attention. Today, we are diving into the world of social media marketing and sharing 8 advanced methods to leverage your social media presence in 2023. So, grab your pen and paper, because these tips are sure to take your social media game to the next level. 1. Influencer collaborations. In 2023, influencer collaboration remains a powerful method to leverage your social media marketing. The rise of social media platforms has given birth to a new generation of digital influencers who hold significant sway over their dedicated followers. These influencers have built a loyal community based on trust and authenticity, making them valuable partners for brands seeking to expand their reach. Identify influencers in your niche who align with your brand values and audience. Collaborate with them to create engaging and authentic content that promotes your products or services. The key is to find influencers who genuinely connect with your target audience. Collaborating with influencers allows you to tap into their existing audience, benefiting from their established trust and credibility. By working together, you can create engaging and compelling content that organically promotes your products or services. Whether it's through sponsored posts, product reviews, or influencer takeovers, influencers bring a fresh perspective and a personal touch that can greatly enhance your social media presence. Remember, authenticity and transparency are key to establishing meaningful connections and driving long-term success in influencer collaborations. 2. Video storytelling. Video content has taken over social media platforms, and it's not slowing down. In 2023, focus on creating compelling videos that tell a story and evoke emotions. With the dominance of video content across social media platforms, brands have a tremendous opportunity to captivate their audience and leave a lasting impression. Use formats like short films, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and customer testimonials to captivate your audience and drive engagement. By crafting compelling narratives, brands can connect with their audience on an emotional level, humanize their brand, and effectively demonstrate their products or services. By embracing the power of video, brands can leave a lasting impact, drive engagement, and ultimately achieve their marketing goals in the dynamic landscape of social media. 3. Augmented reality experiences. AR technology has become more accessible, providing exciting opportunities for businesses. If you want to get access to top-notch real estate advice, Exodus Capital is your go-to place. It is a Netflix of financial education where you get access to hundreds of videos in real estate, e-commerce, social media marketing, and generational wealth. For as little as $19.99 per month, you get access to our experts teaching you the best industry practices to retire 10 years earlier. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to visit exoduscapital.com.